If you have a dream to start a business, then this short video is for you. You may be familiar with these two famous sayings: it takes money to make money, and time is money. This is because having capital generates money easier and faster without wasting any time. The best example of this is the game Monopoly. Imagine how much of an advantage you'd have if you started the game with $100,000 instead of only $1,500. It would be impossible to lose the game unless you tried to lose by not purchasing a single property. This brings up the next point with another famous saying: scared money doesn't make money. If you're scared to invest, you'll earn no rewards. It's all about working smarter, not harder. If you want to succeed in business, don't be like the Monopoly player starting at the bottom. Be the player who has the capital to win the game. My innovative funding program is for business people who want to make sure they win. It's called the Burns Funding Method. A life-changing opportunity so unique that there's nothing like it anywhere else. What are your options if you didn't use Burns funding? Glad you asked. Not good. 1. You can go to the bank and they say no. A bank will certainly never give you a loan for a startup without taking a big chunk of your business. Or 2. You can use a technique called credit stacking, where you are entirely responsible for the loan, not to mention the broker takes a massive cut. With the Burns Funding Method, we can get you the credit line you need without taking any stakes in your business. We'll get you more credit than you'd be able to get on your own. And the best part, my company and I are the guarantors. I take all the risk. The caveat? I only work with those whose ideas I believe in and the entrepreneurs I can mentor. The process is simple. Scroll down and click on the application button below. Give my team 2 business days to review your application. If you're approved, my team will reach out to schedule a call between us. On the call, we will discuss strategizing your business plan and how much funding you will realistically need. I will then secure the proper funding and be the loan guarantor. In other words, again, all the risk is on me. Next, I'll invest that money into cash-flowing assets that will be used to pay the loan off as quickly as possible and create ongoing passive income for both of us. Once the loan is paid off in full, 2 things happen. We become 50-50 partners of the cash-flowing assets that typically yield $5,000 to $15,000 per month per asset. You get your complete line of credit for your startup and me as your personal mentor to kickstart your dream venture. It's a win-win. All it takes to be eligible is a minimum of a 700 FICO credit score and a minimum combined household income of $75,000 per year. You may be wondering what's in it for me? I retain 16% of the secured capital to cover the funding cost and create passive income sources that will pay off the loan in full. I've brokered $1 billion in funding deals for entrepreneurs without relying on traditional financing. This is what makes Burns Funding the best opportunity for entrepreneurs and small business owners looking for capital to start a business. Don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Apply below today.